in this video I'm going to show you how to do the perfect baked camembert. So to begin, I'm going to preheat my oven to gas mark 5. So we're going to want to unwrap the camembert from its plastic wrap. I've got myself a clay oven-proof dish. I'm going to pop it in there. Then you're going to want to make some slits in the top, as this will help it cook through. You're going to want to do a little drizzle of olive oil over the top. Pinch of salt. This is a really basic and really beautiful, tasty recipe. It could be used as a starter, or if you're having it as a main, you can have with lots of bread and lots of other different cheeses. But it's really, really good, I can promise you. I'm going to pop it into the oven for 20 minutes and I'll see you then. It's been 20 minutes and our camembert is finally done. I'm super excited for this. Have a look at that. Oh my god. I'm serving mine tonight with a baguette. It goes perfectly together. Look at that. Oh, wow.